Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back. Today, we are going to dive into the corporate world, exploring the dynamic landscape of cultural sensitivity as well as cross-cultural awareness. So get ready for some eye-opening facts that is going to reshape the way you perceive the workspace in this dynamic world. Let's jump right in. Did you know about the global workforce? Diversity, according to recent studies, encompasses 80% of Fortune 500 companies. The corporate world is evolving into a melting pot of cultures. And understanding this diversity is not just an option, it is a necessity. Next, we have communication nuisance. Here's a fascinating fact that non-verbal communication accounts to 93% of your skills. The way you use your gestures, maintain eye contact, and even your posture, it varies across cultures. Number 3 is business etiquette. Ever wondered about the unspoken rules of business etiquette around the world? Did you know that a firm handshake might be a sign of confidence in one culture but is considered too strong in the other culture? Number 4, diversity drives innovation. Did you know that companies with more diverse management teams have 19% higher revenue due to innovation? Embracing cultural diversity, my friends, isn't just ticking the boxes. It is a catalyst for creativity and innovation. Number 5, the ROI of cultural sensitivity training. Investing in cultural sensitivity training isn't just a feeling good initiative. It is a strategic move. And also, you should know that every dollar that is spent on diversity and inclusion training, that company sees a return investment of $3. So there you have it. Cultural sensitivity and cross-cultural awareness are just not buzzwords. These are the keys to unlocking success in today's diverse corporate landscape. I hope you found these facts insightful. Till then, keep shining.